Hello and welcome to this video on how to copy a course using the backup feature for Moodle. Seems to be the best way that I've found to copy a complete course into a blank shell. So this is a course that I've set up for fall 2018. This course has been completely created. Everything is here already for the whole semester. All the assignments, all the quizzes, all the dates. Everything has been in all the categories. The grade book is done. The attendance is all in. So everything in this whole course has been created. Now, this is it takes time because I have to figure out the due dates and all these different things and put it all in. That took probably several hours for me to do all this, and not for the faint-hearted. Well, it's just part of whatever. The more time and effort you put forward in creating this stuff, the easier it'll be for the rest of the semester. So this is all done, but I'm teaching English 110 in a different section also for this fall. Does that mean I have to create everything all over again? No, I don't, actually. The vast majority of the stuff is going to be exactly the same with some minor exceptions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the little wheel, and I'm going to go to the backup feature, backup. Click on backup. And then it's going to say, what do you want to do? We're going to just kind of show you the trick here. I'm going to jump to the final step. And it's going to do the backup right now. And we're excited. Yay, it's done. And then we hit continue. Okay, well, what does that even mean? Well, what this does is that we have now, if you scroll down, you will see that I did a backup for this course. Right there it is. It's today. Okay. So right here, there's the course right there. That's what I just backed up with everything. So I'm going to click download, and it's going to download a file over there. I don't know if you can see it, because there may be the little watermark from this thing. But it downloads a file. It will download it to my downloads. So it's right there. Okay, so I've taken this course, and basically I've just made a whole copy of it, and I've saved it as a backup file. Okay, well now what do I do? Well, I'm going to go to this file, or the course that has not yet been completed. So I'm going to go back to my main shell. I'm going to go to my dashboard, and then I'm going to look at my future classes. So these are the courses that I'm set up to teach right now. So this is the one I had completed already, and this is the one that I will be teaching as well. So if I click on the one that's been I'll be teaching as well, this should be blank. Yeah, it's got nothing. So, okay, so you notice there's quite a difference. So now I want to take that file from that other course that I just built, and I want to put it into here. So I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to go to backup. You're like, well, wait, but I don't want to back up this blank shell. Well, kind of. Just trust me. Okay, so we're going to hit backup. There may be a different way to do this. This is just how I know how to do it. Jump to the final step. Actually, it's not a bad idea to back it up because just in case you screw this up, that may be the way to go. Okay, so now I've backed up this file, okay, and it shows right there. So if I really mess this up, I can re-import the one that I just did. Yeah, that's why we did it. Okay, but now I want to restore the one that I had done before. Well, so there's the option right here. That's the one that I just did. So what you can either, I think you can just drag or drop it, or if you click restore. I haven't tried the restore button, but I know there's dragging and dropping it here. Okay, and then I'm going to hit restore. And what it'll do is it's going to say, do you want to restore all this? You just say, yeah. We're just going to just say, yeah, that's fine. We're not going to even, we're not going to worry about what's on the page. Okay, so what do we want to do? Well, we want to next delete the contents of this course and then restore. So we're basically erasing anything that was there before and replacing it with what we've done from the other course. Okay, you're like, oh, okay. And then you hit continue. And it says, do you want to do all this stuff? Say, yeah, hit next. And yeah, okay, fine, whatever. We're just going to hit next. And again, there's more than one way to do this. I'm just showing you the way that I would do this. Okay. And then it's going to start doing the download. Now I'm going to pause this for a second so you don't have to watch this download. I'll get back in a second. Okay, so now it's done uploading. Okay, and then I hit continue. And look, it has moved everything over. Wow! Woohoo! Yay! All right, now a couple of things we're going to have to change, obviously, is that this is section 6, and this is showing section 3. So, I mean, it's fairly easy to just turn editing on. And then just change this up here, section 6, and then I just happen to know, oh, come on. You have to actually hit the enter button after you've made a change, or it doesn't take. You just click off, it doesn't work. Okay. And then the thing I need to edit is edit the section. And I just happen to know that this class, you can find this information on Embarrassnet. This section meets at 10 o'clock. In the same building as that other thing. So then save changes. Okay. That's one thing I'm going to have to change. Another thing I'm going to have to change is I'm going to have to change so this syllabus was designed, the one that I've uploaded right here. I'm not going to, well, I can show you. Okay. This is the one that's specific for section 3. So what I would have to do is I'd have to go to edit settings and then change the syllabus. What I would do is I would actually click on the syllabus. You know, that's section 3. I'd go in here. I would delete this out. And then I would add the one for section 6. Okay. That's just something else you'd have to do. I don't think I've gotten 6 created yet, so I'm not going to do that right here and right now. All right, let's see what else we got to do. The other thing we're going to have to adjust is, well, I'm going to pause this because I think there's information here that's got students, and I don't want you to see the students yet, so hold on a second. Okay, so the 2 other things that I'm going to have to fix, and there may be more as we just kind of go through the paces here, but this is still going to save you a lot of time. So attendance is the biggest thing you're going to have to change. So if you click on attendance, this is going to copy over. Now this is a Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, but the difference here is the time's wrong. I don't know. The easiest way to do this is just to redo the whole. It doesn't take long to set up attendance. There's a video that shows you how to do that. But to delete all these days, just click on this, and that highlights all the days that are there, and then choose delete. Okay, and then that'll delete out. Do you want to delete out all these days? Yes. Okay, so now I've got nothing set up in my attendance. So I will just go ahead and set up attendance for this class with the proper days and times. So that's something you're going to have to change. But again, there's a video that doesn't take long. Okay. And one thing I did notice, so if I go to grades, and I go to gradebook setup, it appears that the whole gradebook came over. Wow! Wow, look at that. Okay, so hopefully you can see how that'll save you a lot of time and effort from backing up one course to another. And yeah, so go ahead and give it a try. If you notice any issues as far as doing the transfer, please let me know so I can pass it on to everybody else. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.